Ooh, perfect. Just give me
Be
a
really careful with that
warning.
cord,
Tell
though,
him
baby.
to move this way more.
What?
Be careful with the cord. It's making me nervous if you like stepped on it and pulled it out of your hands or something.
This?
Yeah.
Once you step on the cord.
Hey, chicken hat guy, move towards the tree more.
Chicken hat guy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get out of the way in time. I will. Trust me.
Sure?
Trust me.
You're an adult. I'm letting you do.
I'm
Make your
quick on my
decision.
feet. I don't think.
Yeah, see, I told
I
you.
got
Baby.
wood chips. I can't see.
Where are
Take
your
it off.
sunglasses?
Pull it.
Do you guys have any like clear glasses or anything?
You need to get a little bit more on the side closest to us.
Timber! Woo! Who was worried? Why would you be worried?
I'm worried about your